Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Namaste. Today I am going to speak about the important role the mind plays in weight reduction. There are so many people who really want to lose weight. Many of them do make a lot of efforts also. Sometimes the efforts do give very good results, but most of the time we find people are fretting and fuming and complaining that in spite of all the efforts they are unable to lose weight. We keep seeing that again and again. So let us see how we can add one more component to these efforts that people put in, which is the mind. How do we bring in the mind also to help a person to lose weight? Now here I would like to give you one simple small example. In one class called Agni Kundam, where we meditate to identify the blocks that we have in our mind in various aspects of life, and then we also release those blocks in meditation. We did a meditation for health, and after the meditation, when people were sharing their experiences, one lady who was a little bit plump, she was very pretty, very beautiful, but little bit plump. She got up and said, "Today I know why I am unable to lose weight." She says, I am doing everything that I can. I go to the gym, I do walking, I do dieting, I do exercise, yoga, everything that I can to lose weight, but it's not giving me any result. And she's been doing it for quite a number of years also. So she said, I could never understand why I was not successful. But she said, today in meditation, I was able to identify the reason. And the reason was, she has always been a chubby person. When she was a small child, she was a very chubby, beautiful child. And so many people, family members, friends, etc., used to always pinch her cheeks and say how chubby this child is, how beautiful this child is. So she says that picture came to my mind now, after, like, she's about 45 years old. She said, now it came to my mind, and I could feel that there is a thought in my mind that only if I am chubby, I will look beautiful. So that has gone deep into my mind, and it is not allowing me to lose weight. And she said, this is what I could understand today. So that is how powerful the mind is. Now let us see how we can make this powerful mind work for us, be with us in our efforts to lose weight. Now if you look at it, what are the causes for a person putting on weight? Of course, there are innumerable causes, but a few that we can name, we can think of. One is, of course, the food habits. If a person keeps eating too much of starchy food and more in quantity and wrong timings, then definitely the body goes haywire and it puts on weight. That's one thing. Sometimes it's a health problem. If a person has a thyroid imbalance or something else also, so many health problems can cause increase in weight. So that is another reason. But when it comes to the mind, if a person is depressed, it can make him put on weight. Sometimes we think a depressed person may lose weight and become thin, but on the contrary, sometimes depression can also give the wrong signal to the body that there is something lacking in life, and the body tries to fill up that void by gathering weight. That is how the mind works. So depression, sometimes being cheated by somebody, or feeling guilty for something that a person might have done, or anger for something in life. So many reasons, any negative emotions in the mind can also make a person put on weight. So that is how powerful the mind is. It's not only the food that you eat. It is many other factors which make a person put on weight. Apart from the genetic, we are not going into the genetic factor because there's not much that you can do about it. But otherwise, what can we do? Now, how can we program the mind? We must program the mind to help the body to lose weight. How do you program the mind? Whatever efforts you make to lose weight, it could be jogging, it could be walking, it could be going to the gym, or it could be doing yoga, or it could be just your food habits, your dieting. Whatever you do, as you start that activity, make sure your mind is focused on what you're doing. Now, if you see, many people go for a jog with earphones plugged in and they are listening to music. Listening to music is very good. Mind also gets relaxed. But then the mind is not focused on what you are doing, what the activity in which you are involved. So even if you see people in the gym, sometimes they do exercise but listening to the music. So that is okay, but at least when you begin the exercise or when you begin your jogging, for a minute you can just close your minds and give a thought to yourself, give a command to your subconscious mind and say, this half an hour of jogging that I am going to do now helps me to lose weight. That one command will go deep inside, and then you begin your jogging or exercise. Even if you are in the gym, as you start your exercise, your routine, you can give a command to yourself that this 1 hour or 45 minutes or half an hour, whatever it is, that I am going to exercise here, this is going to make me lose weight. Now when you do this programming, this command programs your mind to function in a particular way, to focus on what you are doing. And as you give this command, what happens is it goes to the cells of your body, and it is the cells which have to respond, and they do respond. So as you give this command to the cells of the body, slowly they will start making you change the way you either eat or exercise or walk or run or jog, whatever it is, whatever you have to do, automatically you will be guided to do it. And that way, when you program your mind, it automatically works on the body, and the body will start responding in a very, very positive way. You can do this very beautifully in meditation. So if you are a person who can meditate, nothing like it. In a meditative state, give a command to your body, this is my weight, and mention the weight which you would like to maintain. Now this goes again to the cells of the body as a message, and the cells will respond by releasing any excess fat, any excess water or toxins which they are holding on to. And when the cells start releasing all this, automatically the body will become free to lose weight. So learn to program your mind also. It's not enough if you just put in a lot of physical effort. Physical effort is required. But if you also bring in your mind there, if you program your body, program your mind and program your body, then automatically the result is much better than you can even think of. So try it and do let me know how you found the results, or what kind of results you could see. I'm sure all of you will definitely benefit if you program your mind. So go ahead and do it. Let's see.